What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you another cryptocurrency stream. For those of you who don't know, I'm a professional leverage trader and instructor, and I make my living trading cryptocurrency with serious efficiency. If you want to learn how to trade better, head right over to the website, get signed up. Links are below and above. And for those of you who want the little additive edge in the trade field, follow me on my socials. For instance, I change the color of my eyes, which way I'm leaning in the market that day, and that can really help you guys with your entries and exits, guys. For those of you who don't know, I will be speaking at a big conference coming up, Web3 and Real Estate, guys. That will be in Miami, October 27th and 28th. I will put a discount code in the comments below and in the bio. Be sure to check that out, guys. And I wanted to talk about Bitcoin today. Just an amazing time, and Electroneum. Amazing times, guys. I think we're going to get some movement here coming up. Lots to talk about, guys. If you aren't subscribed yet, definitely smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and I'm going to dive right into the price action. Alright guys, so a few things to actually watch for right now in the immediate. We could have a few things playing out, and kind of how I want you guys to look at this is we could have an inverse head and shoulders playing out right now in the price action. Now guys, this is on the smaller time frames, but we do have a very clear pattern right here. And for those of you playing wedge theory, for instance, playing all these wedges, easy little leverage trades, guys. That's for the advanced trader. Remember these, it's quick gains all the time. But one thing I really want you guys to pay attention to is on the bigger time frames, guys. And this is what we should be looking for right now for those of you who are just kind of figuring out trading and you need a little bit of guidance here. So for instance, there's a big thing called reverse pressure here. We have to think about breaking it to get out of this bear trend and have a bearish reversal, for instance. Okay, so there's one clear pattern that is availed to me aside from wedge theory, which is jumping out at me right now. So what we're going to do, guys, I'm actually going to clean this up a little bit, and I'm going to pull up a different chart so you can see. Now guys, that's the same Bitcoin chart, just on a different exchange. Now check this out, guys. A very clear potential double bottom. Okay, assuming we actually get a pump up and break the 55 right here, we can then think to finish the pattern, and then we can start to maybe see a punch through this major resistance line, which is right around $25,700, guys. We complete this pattern, that is a very good sign. Expansion phase will be kicking off, guys, and those will be some really good times for Bitcoin. Be sure to be stacking your bags in these times, and let me show you just why. Okay, go over to the BLX chart, pull up your logarithmic zones. Okay, let's pull up the logs. Where are they? Here they are. Okay guys, so check this out. So I also have some cycles labeled out, which I believe will play out as well, and so far they are doing really well. So guys, I put these out quite some time ago, guys. Go back and check tape if you need to. But the expansion phase, I think, will kick off pretty soon. We just have to break the 55. But moreover, guys, notice the logs. Okay, check it out. We never hit red zone up here. We just never hit it. Okay, so I think as long as we can continue this trajectory, these are obviously the optimal buy times right now, guys. This is the best times to get in on the market, even for just hodl positions. And within the next 2 years, guys, we will be up at a much higher Bitcoin price, around $288,000 potentially. Assuming the logarithmic bands run true straight over, guys, it could even be a little bit higher. Okay, guys, those are some impressive Bitcoin prices, guys. So for those of you who don't understand Bitcoin, Bitcoin is something that is just the best asset class in history. It has proven itself to be. It will continue to prove it for the foreseeable future, guys. Usually commodities take around 40 years to develop, in which case we still have around 26 to 27 years of development before the completion of all cycles, guys. This is just one cycle, and once the halving happens, the cutting of supply, you can expect Bitcoin to be worth more in simplicity, guys. So that's what I think is going on with Bitcoin. Let's turn off the logs and let's go over to Electroneum quick, guys. I'm going to pull up the 1 hour quick and get a look at this. My computer loads here. Now, what's nice about this, guys, this pattern that we had right here, this descending wedge right here, we had a nice clear breakout. For instance, if we pull up the other estimated moving averages here, okay, you get a clear crossing of the 7 and the 20 through the 55, guys, right at the break of the major resistance, guys. Let me know in the comments if you actually caught that trade on your favorite exchange. And if you haven't signed up to Bybit, guys, there's a $4,500 bonus going on right now. Definitely check that out, guys. And what I'm still waiting for is that retest of reverse pressure, guys. But let's be real, we are getting very close to it. We're thinking about retesting it again, guys, and it's coinciding with a what was major support now acting as a resistance, okay? So what I would like to see is a pattern to break out called a triple bottom, okay? So we have bottom, a bottom, and a bottom, and then a very clear point of resistance here, guys. Let's watch for this to break probably right around here or break down, okay? And you'll know which way to do your long or your short by whether it's breaking resistance or breaking support of the pattern. Okay, guys, keep an eye out for that. And that's exactly what I'm looking at for Electroneum, guys. I think Electroneum is really going to have its day. It's an amazing coin, amazing project, and I think if you look at the bigger picture here, we've kind of gone through a lot of work here, but we're finally about to retest, guys. The moment is going to happen. Expansion phase will happen. We usually get a pump around the end of the year anyway. For those who have been holding, I think this is the best time to be getting into the market or accruing your bags, and be sure to hold those positions. Do not sell your Bitcoin now. It would be the probably second worst time in history to sell your Bitcoins. It's always a bad time to sell your Bitcoin, let's be real, guys. Or your altcoins that are still surviving, many of them, guys, many different coins. You don't want to be selling them right now, guys. And that's all the time I have for today. Be sure to check me out at the convention, guys. This is going to be amazing, amazing times. Come learn how to trade, guys. I will show you guys some amazing, amazing indication plays which will help you understand your entries and exits, let alone when to get in and out of the market, the polar tops and bottoms, which can really set your mind at ease when you're talking extrapolation of your profits in the back end. And guys, that's all the time I have for today. Just remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.
Audio Jungle.